The video examines how the Octopus camouflage mirrors adaptive textiles that change color and texture in an instant today. Its sprint mirrors sports car aerodynamics and lightweight frames, optimized for power and safety in dynamic environments today worldwide. Artifice jets prey with precision, echoing modern nozzles and fluid control systems that shape accuracy in industry today everywhere. Albatross gliding on winds inspires efficient wing designs for long journeys, reducing energy use across vast migratory routes worldwide. Dung beetle rolling behavior parallels bearing systems, illustrating durable, precise movement with minimal waste and enhanced longevity for machines.